takeaway from today's session, beginning with Chavi?
हमें जब भी हम कोई भी टॉपिक दिया गया है या हम कोई भी चीज़ इलेबोरेट कर रहे हैं तो हमें अपने वर्ड्स को कंसाइज रखना चाहिए एंड टू द पॉइंट बात करनी चाहिए ताकि हमारा और दूसरे का टाइम वेस्ट ना हो और हम ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा चीज़ें सामने वाले को बता सकें जो रेलिवेंट हो.
Thank you.
For me, it's to interact myself with the others, which I fear today.
Thank you, Vanshika, and thank you for sharing more on football.
For me, it's to get a knowledge of your surroundings and take an initiative to learn them and use them.
Right. So if I have a left winger, which foot will be more dominating?
Right.
Right. And the reason for that?
Because you can cut inside, you have multiple options to pass and you can score as well. So it's a more.
Thank you very much.
Today I learned how we do the better teamwork.
Okay. So the bigger the dream, stronger the team.
Today I learned that to change the trend which is going on since the beginning and be a trendsetter.
Right. And Vedika, the trend from conventional crime has shifted to,
White collar
which is also
crime.
called professional crime.
Professional crime.
Who will combat it? CA
CA.
Vedika.
मेरे हिसाब से जिससे पूछा जाए उसी को जवाब देना चाहिए.
ये मुझे लगता है
अगर अनिका और अजीत से पूछा जाता है तो खुद से आंसर देना नहीं चाहिए या फिर रिजाइन करना चाहिए.
ये पुरानी रंजिश है इस लड़के के साथ. जी अनिका जी.
We should understand how the audience understands us. जैसे कि हम लोग के पास जो भी टॉपिक होगा अगर वो ऑडियो लर्नर है तो हमें विजुअल लर्निंग सब
Yes,
कुछ इनकॉर्पोरेट
absolutely. Only audio won't work. Visuals are also very important. Vaishnavi ji,
I learned that sometimes listening is more important than speaking.
listening is always more important, not sometimes, right? Listening is the best form of learning. It's an act of kindness.
I learned that we need to sometimes look beyond our personal gain and personal objectives and work together as a unit with the team partner assigned to us and gel together well so that we can make up for each other's shortcomings.
What's the full form of SIDBI?
Small Industrial Development Bank of India.
Thank you.
Soft skills for effective communication. That is what I've taken from this.
Right. And I hope the chartered accountants bring the elegant combo, both technical and soft skills.
100%.
Vandana ji,
Try not to hesitate and answer each and every question.
thank you very much. The police girl.
सर कभी सेल्फ डाउट नहीं करेंगे खुद पे ताकि हमारी ग्रोथ हिंडर ना करे.
चोर को पकड़ेंगे कि ज्ञान देंगे?
पकड़ेंगे. We should listen to everybody. We should listen to everyone.
Okay. And the role of regulator is also important. Yes.
Be curious, observe as much knowledge as you can.
Yes. And ask as many questions as you can.
Focus on listening rather than speaking.
Okay. Thank you.
There should be some fun element in your skit.
Yes. Sense of humor is very important.
Accept the topic.
Thank you, Advesha.
Be confident.
Thank you.
Don't have the fear of stage.
And who's winning the World Cup, Women's World Cup this time?
India.
They'll be playing which country in finals?
Australia.
Right. And come 22nd of September, we celebrate Durga Puja. Ms. Mandal?
For sure you're all invited. But what I learned is that with the amount of knowledge that we have already gained, we tend to restrict ourselves to it.
Yes.
So start listening and be open to learning instead of restricting yourselves to it.
Joyful festival greetings to you.
Thank you.
Respect the timeline which is given to you for the completion of work.
Absolutely. Budget is very important, whether for time or other resources.
सर कोई भी फीडबैक जब ले रहे हैं ना तो बैड है या गुड है उस पर डिबेट नहीं करनी, ओनली लिसन करना है पहले. फीडबैक क्या मिला.
Feedback has to be accepted.
To always try and have knowledge of versatile fields, not just one thing, like
Right.
one CA if you are
Right.
just
And
have
get
no-
your purse nursed. huh? Yeah. चोर की भूमिका में.
Great presentation within time limit.
Thank you very much.
Planning करके ज़्यादा complex नहीं करना चाहिए चीज़ों को, just simple रखना चाहिए.
Yeah. Keep it simple in life.
Be motivated and good listener.
Thank you.
सर बस नॉलेज को एक्वायर करना है ना, उसको प्रेजेंट करना भी होना.
Application of knowledge.
Lose fear to speak in public.
Has it gone away, increased, reduced?
Increased.
Has fear increased, reduced?
For me, it's stage because I've never done such things before.
Okay. Thank you, ma'am.
First one to interact with the people.
Okay. Thank you.
समय आपकी गति से नहीं चलेगा, आपको समय की गति से चलना है.
Thank you. Our friend from Tripura.
Not to be camera shy.
Yes. Thank you.
Sir, I want to be as a audible person or hear anything
Thank you.
which is relevant to me.
Keep smiling while speaking.
Thank you.
Stay within the budget. Don't excess speak or listen more.
Okay. Yeah. Let's go to Aditi.
अपने टॉपिक को जानना बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट है. We have to stick to it.
Thank you.
Keep smiling, listen carefully.
Okay. Okay, our Munshi Premchand.
Talk point to point, not to become Munshi Premchand.
Yes, minimum words, maximum impact.
टॉपिक से भटकना नहीं चाहिए, कितनी मेहनत कर लो कोई फायदा नहीं है.
Okay, thank you. Rishika ji.
For me, it's trying and exploring everything, even if I think I have no interest in it.
Yes, absolutely. All subjects, are within the syllabus of chartered accountancy because finance is there everywhere.
Today in our group activity, I learned how to work in a group and utilize our task effectively and efficiently.
Thank you, Vipul. Get me those lines on Daitva. Last 4 lines of yours.
सर दायित्व से जब हम जिम्मेदारी निभाते हैं तो हमें सम्मान मिलता है और वही सम्मान मतलब जो लोगों का भरोसा है वही हमें सम्मान दिलाता है.
Thank you.
सर एक स्माइल हमें अच्छी मुश्किलों से बाहर निकाल देती है. हमें चाहे कुछ ही हो, हमें मतलब कि बहुत अच्छा वो प्रोवाइड करती है.
Thank
I
you.
learned that time management is required. We should be on time everywhere.
Okay. Yes. Shivam.
In-depth knowledge of subject. In-depth knowledge.
In-depth knowledge. Yes. Income tax on interest of joint bank holders. You will write, right? You will write up. Okay.
We should value the time most.
Okay. Everyone covered? So guys, everyone covered? So guys, yeah, okay. So somebody has to come. Anika, you come. So I just want to make last line. देखिए अगर आप नाम के आगे CA लगाना चाहते हैं तो बहुत ज़रूरी है आप इस बात को समझें कि आपके जीवन का उद्देश्य है हर घर परिवार में आर्थिक संपन्नता. So the objective of a chartered accountant is economic prosperity in every household. So all the best to you. Let's make it happen.